Need a smart way to stay organized at home, school, or work? A Bluetooth label maker can save time, reduce clutter, and add creativity to your daily routine. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Bluetooth label makers you can buy right now. Let's jump in. Number 5 on our list is the Standpoint HP2 Bluetooth Label Maker. The Standpoint HP2 Bluetooth Label Maker redefines modern labeling with a blend of convenience, creativity, and portability. Compact and lightweight, this pocket-sized device is designed to deliver high-quality labels and stickers wherever you are at home, in the office, or on the move. It caters to a variety of users, from professionals and teachers to organizers, ensuring that efficient labeling is always within reach. At the heart of the Standpoint HP2 experience is the X-Easy Label app, which transforms label creation into a flexible and engaging process. Users can design labels using a wide array of templates that include text, tables, barcodes, QR codes, logos, symbols, images, and even timestamps or Excel inserts. The label maker supports sizes from 0.5 to 0.0. 6 inches and comes with 14 by 40 millimeter white RFID label paper, allowing for both practical and decorative applications, though transparent label rolls are not compatible. Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless wireless printing from iOS or Android devices. With over 60 fonts, more than 400 borders, and support for over 12 languages, the app provides extensive customization options. USB Type-C compatibility ensures easy charging and smooth integration with modern digital workflows. The device utilizes advanced direct thermal printing technology, producing crisp, high-resolution labels at 203 dpi without the need for ink. A robust 2000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, reducing interruptions and supporting productivity throughout the day. Versatility is a standout feature of the Standpoint HP2. It is equally suited for organizing household items, office files, or crafting personalized stickers, jewelry tags, jar labels, and seasonal decorations. Its RFID tagging capability adds an extra layer of smart organization, making it ideal for classrooms, workshops, and small businesses. With its sleek design, intuitive app, and range of thoughtful features, the Standpoint HP2 Bluetooth Label Maker brings a combination of efficiency, creativity, and fun to any labeling task, transforming everyday organization into an effortless and stylish activity. Number 4 is the Nadaiin N12 Bluetooth Label Maker. The Nadaiin N12 Bluetooth Label Maker is a compact, versatile device designed to elevate everyday organization with convenience and style. Slim and portable, this mini label maker is half the size of traditional models, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. By connecting seamlessly to a smartphone or tablet through the Nada Print app, users can create labels instantly wherever they are. Utilizing advanced thermal printing technology, the N12 delivers sharp, ink-free prints without cartridges or toner. This eco-friendly approach produces crisp black text while minimizing mess and cost. A rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting operation and supports batch printing, making it suitable for more extensive labeling tasks. The companion app enhances the N12's capabilities with a wide range of creative options. Users can choose from numerous templates, add icons, tables, barcodes, QR codes, images, and even use voice recognition for label creation. It also allows importing data from Excel or scanning text with OCR, offering extensive customization for both practical and decorative purposes. The labels themselves are built to last. Waterproof, oil-resistant, and abrasion-resistant, they maintain readability even with frequent handling. The device accommodates both fixed-length tapes and 15mm continuous label taper, adapting effortlessly to different labeling projects. Ideal for home, office, or small business use, the Nadaiin N12 streamlines organization in multiple ways, from labeling food containers and spice jars to categorizing files, tools, and storage boxes. Its combination of portability, smart functionality, and durable labeling makes it a versatile tool for anyone seeking neatness, efficiency, and creativity in everyday tasks. This compact label maker is not just practical, but also thoughtful, appealing to students, professionals, or anyone who enjoys organized spaces, offering a reliable solution for both routine and special projects. Coming in at number 3 is the Niimbot D110M Bluetooth Label Maker. The Niimbot D110M Bluetooth Label Maker is designed to bring efficiency and style to everyday organization. As the 2025 new version of the popular D110 series, this compact label machine offers improved print clarity, smoother output, and faster performance, making it a handy tool for home, school, and on-the-go labeling. Its modern design also makes it an excellent back-to-school gift. Equipped with BPA-free direct thermal technology, the D110M ensures clear, high-definition labels without the need for ink or toner. With a 203 dpi resolution and high-speed processing chips, the results are sharp and professional. A built-in rechargeable battery provides extended usage time, while its lightweight pocket-sized design makes it easy to carry wherever organization is needed. The device connects seamlessly via Bluetooth and pairs with the user-friendly Niimbot app, available for both iOS and Android. The app supports simple setup, batch printing, and customization, allowing quick creation of labels in just a few taps. With Type-C fast charging, the label maker is fully charged in only 2 hours, ready for continuous use. Versatility is another strength of the D110M. Thanks to intelligent identification technology, it automatically recognizes different label types, supporting a wide range of options including clear, colorful, round, and decorative tapes. The label refills are waterproof and oil-proof, ensuring durability in kitchens, schools, or household organization. Compact yet powerful, the Niimbot D110M provides a modern and efficient labeling solution that blends convenience with creativity, helping you stay organized with style. Number 2 is the Phomemo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker. The Phomemo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker is a compact and modern labeling solution designed to bring efficiency, creativity, and portability into everyday organization. As an upgraded version, it supports both continuous and fixed-length label tapes while being half the weight of traditional label makers. Equipped with German thermal print head technology, it delivers sharp clarity, smooth performance, and fast processing for hassle-free labeling. One of its standout features is the use of inkless thermal printing technology, which eliminates the need for ink, toner, or ribbons. With a variety of colorful thermal label tapes available, it ensures cost-effective printing and reduces ongoing expenses. The Phomemo D30 is not just practical, but also highly versatile, offering access to over 1,000 symbols, 60-plus frames, and multiple fonts through its dedicated app. Users can design labels with icons, barcodes, QR codes, logos, images, timestamps, and even import data from Excel. Advanced tools like scanning, OCR, and voice recognition make it a powerful assistant for quick and customized label creation. Built for convenience, the wireless Bluetooth connection allows seamless printing directly from mobile devices. Its lightweight build, combined with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, makes it portable enough to carry in a pocket or bag. This label maker proves to be a valuable tool across different environments. For classrooms, it simplifies organization and helps teachers with labeling supplies. In offices, it enhances file management, while small businesses benefit from its ability to create price tags, product labels, and name tags. At home, it's useful for food date marking, cable identification, and storage labeling. Compact, creative, and efficient, the Phomemo D30 Bluetooth Label Maker brings modern labeling solutions to homes, schools, offices, and businesses with ease and style. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Makeid P31 Bluetooth Label Maker. The Makeid P31 Bluetooth label maker is designed for professionals who need reliable, high-quality labeling in industrial, commercial, or organizational settings. Engineered with versatility in mind, it supports over 20 different label sizes, including self-laminating, nylon, PET all-weather tapes, and even heat-shrink tubing. With new materials continually being developed, it adapts easily to diverse labeling needs. Its 300 dpi resolution ensures crisp, clear text, while the 1-inch printhead accommodates up to 8 lines of text, allowing users to include more detailed information in a single label. Customization is seamless with the Makeid Pro app, offering 48 templates, more than 200 icons, and over 20 font options. Whether creating simple organizational tags or complex professional labels with barcodes and QR codes, the app makes it intuitive and efficient. Bulk data import further streamlines large-scale labeling, perfect for fast-paced environments. Performance is another standout feature. Powered by a 2600 mAh battery, the P31 provides up to 90 days of operation on a single charge, and delivers impressive speed, printing up to 60 labels per minute. This ensures maximum productivity with minimal downtime. Ease of use is at the heart of its design. The integrated tape system automatically identifies label types, aligns templates, and ensures proper positioning for flawless results. This smart automation reduces waste, enhances accuracy, and simplifies the labeling process, making it both cost-effective and efficient. Despite its powerful features, the P31 remains lightweight and portable, weighing just 1.27 pounds, making it convenient to carry to job sites. Using thermal transfer technology, it produces labels that are durable, fade-resistant, and long-lasting, ensuring reliability in any environment. The Makeid P31 Bluetooth label maker combines portability, customization, and industrial-grade performance into one compact device, making it a dependable solution for both everyday and specialized labeling tasks.